mass make control panel for open circuit and load characteristics of DC shunt generator. First of all, I will explain the front panel. Here is the input supply terminal, 220 volt AC, then MCB to switch on the supply of the panel, then RPM indicator, and below it the connections which comes from the motor, and line indicator, voltmeter and current meter analog for the DC shunt motor, and the other voltmeter and current meter for the generator side, and here current meter for the excitation which is in series with the field. Here is the excitation output, and the right hand side there is a knob for vary the excitation source, and the center 3-point starter terminal is brought out here, and below it one side circuit diagram for the DC shunt motor 2 HP, and other side is circuit diagram for shunt generator 1 kilowatt shunt generator, and MCB is provided to connect the output load, and resistive load is provided with this experiment. Here we have provided DC shunt motor which is coupled with shunt generator. 2 HP is the shunt motor and 1 kilowatt is the shunt generator. RPM sensor is connected on the shaft of motor, and one resistive load is provided to load the generator. Now we will do the connection for the open circuit test. Connect the supply, input supply 220 volt AC on the terminal provided, connect the current meter positive to positive, negative to negative, voltmeter in the parallel, these are the voltage and current for the shunt motor. 3-point starter connection, terminal is provided, connect with the circuit. Now shunt generator side connections. Connect the meters, current meter in the series, voltmeter in the parallel with the right polarities. Here excitation source, current meter is connected in series. Connect the armature of the shunt motor, connect field of motor in respective terminals, connect the RPM sensor connector. Now we will connect the shunt generator armature side. Both the terminal of the armature connected to the circuit diagram armature side, and for the field, one connection is directly goes to excitation source, the other side of excitation source goes to current meter, and the current meter second terminal, black terminal, goes to the field of the generator. That means current meter is in series in the field. Now switch on the MCB. Line indicator will indicate the supply, and first of all we will see the excitation source must be at minimum position, which is given on the right side of the panel. Now using 3-point starter, run the motor. RPM is indicated by the RPM meter, and here is the voltage of the motor and current for the motor. Here on the meter, voltage is represent here, current of the motor is here. There is no voltage and current of the generator because field current is 0. Now increase the excitation source knob and voltage is coming. Sometimes voltage is in reverse direction, so we have to change the terminal. Increase the excitation source and voltage is start to come and field is current is increases. Now change the excitation source and voltage of the generator is increases, current of the excitation is also increases, because it is no load connection, so that current is not coming. For the load characteristics, we will connect the load. Now connect the lamp load on the shunt generator side. Switch on the MCB for the connection of the load. Switch on the load one by one for loading the shunt generator. Current is, load current is here, which is load the generator. As we increase the load, somehow voltage is decreased. In this way, we will perform the experiment.